Now, a really nice feature of having your files inside Microsoft 365 is document versioning. So a user on their own, without calling IT, can just go to a file, right click on it, go OneDrive, version history, and they can pull up the versions of this file that are available and they can choose to restore. Or they can view the file directly, the previous version of it, and choose to save it as a file somewhere else without restoring over the existing file. These are really nice features to let users manage this on their own. They can get to work faster, do what they need to do, and they don't have to wait for IT to take care of this. And usually for IT, these are kind of mundane chores to do restores. And it's also important to note that when we're connected like this with shared department files, we now have a recycle bin. So if somebody with a linked folder or a mapped drive to Microsoft 365 were to delete a file in here, these will show up in the user's recycle bin. So if I go down here, there are files here that I have deleted that are shared files inside of Microsoft 365, but I can find them in here and I can restore them in here. Now, it's also important to note that there are first and second stage recycle bins inside of Microsoft 365. So the first stage recycle bin you'll have access to here. You can restore these directly from your recycle bin. But if I'm looking deeper for files and I deleted something and then maybe I accidentally or intentionally, but didn't mean to, deleted a file and it went to the recycle bin, but then maybe somehow that file got deleted in the recycle bin, then there's a second stage recycle bin. So if I go a little deeper into Microsoft 365 and the website, I can go to that sales folder and I can go to the recycle bin right here and I can find files, but it'll say, can't find what you're looking for, check the second stage recycle bin. And so administrators would have access to that and they could recover those files for you if you needed. So it protects the users and helps IT out by giving these files a second chance in case they are deleted or then double deleted.